and welcome to Albert's Voice Chef. I'm Chef Albert, and how are you all doing today? Hey, happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you. So we're going to make whole wheat egg noodle with corned beef. Yeah. Okay, I got the water boiling so we can start the process. This doesn't take that long to make. So we're going to open this up like so. Okay. That's enough. And that's it. This is filled. Actually, this product is filled to the top. So, okay. I store it in the refrigerator because it's open. I can put it in a Ziploc bag. All right. So we put this in boiling water. We're gonna add salt. Then we'll boil it for until it gets soft. Right. That's all you have to do. Very easy. Anybody can do that. I would advise you to get a pot, enough to make enough for yourself. Boil it. Get the water boiled. And put this in there. Because that's how this works. You don't have to put nothing else in there. Some salt if you want. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Last time I showed you the linguine, I was going to show you panini. Same thing, These are cheap though, really cheap, $1 or something. If you're looking for something to make easy, it's easy to make food. That's what this is. This is gonna be for lunch, for breakfast. Yeah, and you can eat pasta for breakfast. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me show you something. I started. I know I shouldn't do it, but it helps. Let's say detox is a better word to use. Whoops. So all this time I was drinking ginger tea without sugar. So ginger tea looks like this, this brand here. But this says it's made from freshly ground ginger root to obtain concentrated juice. But you can use ground ginger as well. Mix it together. This is cheaper than this. This is like $4. This isn't dirt cheap. This comes from Jamaica, but they sell it here. So you would put it in the your coffee maker. So you pour the water in here, and you put in your coffee maker, and then you put it in there, and it'll boil. But I started using this. Somebody at this comes from Walmart. I'm not promoting them. Somebody at Walmart, because I had no clue about coffee, because I don't drink it, and I never really give it to anybody. We come from a tea, British. Hey, mate. Okay. So, you're gonna have your dinner, which I call the coffee, the tea. But this is cream. This is not bad. It has a good flavor to it. You mix this with French vanilla, it's okay. That's what the guy told me. Take 2 tablespoons of this and another one of the others, and that's how he makes the coffee. Yeah, that's all right, but that's pretty strong stuff. But this is what I use. And, French vanilla, if you want to go crazy, they got these little... I see this when I do corporate jobs and stuff like that. They have these, and then just shake them up. And they're all right. That's if you want to go that route. That's up to you. This is almost done. But it when you drink that stuff, it flushes you out. That's right. See, this is already cooked. Let's go quick. This is a quick meal. 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. See, this is already cooked. Let me see. It's already tender. Yeah, it's done. Let me strain that out. Put it in a plate. Close it. So I make, well, we did that on here already. Rice and Jamaican peas, or rice and curry, you know. Yeah. And that sounds pretty good, huh? Yeah. Hey, things are tough. Things are expensive. You know, a simple meal can run you like over $60 or more. You know, it gets kind of pricey. Yeah, let me get this dumped. So all you have to do is strain the water. It's gonna look like that. See? Put on the stove, turn it down. Okay, so I bought a whole bunch of these. These are getting hot. You guys are buying all these stuff. This is what I use. I'm not promoting the company. I'm just getting this. This only costs like $1.89. Some Walmarts it's more money, but you know I can't type. You know, every Walmart's gonna be different. I know it's pizza sauce, but you can put it in your pasta. This is the same stuff. If you don't have this and you run out of it, you can use ketchup. You can use this ketchup from them. It only has real sugar in it. Don't get the corn syrup and the dextrin and all that stuff. That's not good for you. I don't know how they allow that product and everything. Okay, so we have corned beef here. So the corned beef, these cans are dirt cheap at Walmart. They look like this. Where you get that? You get it where the canned stuff is. Well, you know, that's like canned meats and stuff. That's where you get it. I mean, it's already made. It's already steamed. They steam it. They pack it in a can. They add what they have to add, and they steam it. That's how they cook. They do that with all the canned stuff. I watched them do it. I'm just throwing that right in. Oof. That's it. This pasta tool. And you just take the spoon. Yeah, let me show you. Because everybody's saying, "Oh, we're not singing anything. We're just see you talk." Can you see? There you can see. This is easy to make food. You know, you can use chicken. Chicken tenderloins are pretty cheap. Or you can use the, I don't know if you want to put fish in this. This is up to you. You put however you want in there. I mean, you make your meatballs. You can make your corned beef meatballs. You don't have to get it done. I have to have sometime beef. Because if you don't have it, I have pain. And it's a shame. I can't live for anything. My hand go like this. Ow. And when I start to eat the corned beef, it's gone. But most of that's, well, can't talk as a doctor, but I'm just saying. That pain is gone. So this is how this is shaping up. And you can put whatever you want in there. If you want. I'm going to be making eggnog, but no egg in it. Yep. My formula is here. I got the necessary ingredient. I got it from our friends at Walmart. It would be cheaper to buy it then than go to a regular supermarket where they charge $7 for this little stuff. Yeah, just like the linguine, it cooked the same way. You can add your cheese, you can add your whatever you want to this. And that's about it. Cook a little bit. You know, when you have to cook it, I mean, I can actually eat it right out of the can, but. Then if you're really into the bread, you know, you can make some bread to go with it, or you can get ready-made Mexican tortillas. But there's so much processing. Walmart has those same tortillas where it will cost you $3. It costs you $1.74, but they have a lot of chemical in it. A lot of preservatives, we should say. You know what makes a good, I don't know if I showed you this last time, but I'll show you again. So, they have this mango, pineapple, but the mango is easiest one to chew, even though it's frozen. This is not bad. How much is this? I think it's $3 something. Now, for the holiday weekend, I'm making 15-hour soup. Okay? I showed it on another channel. I'm making it a different way. So that goes in the crock pot. So I'll show how that takes 15 hours because it takes. I had got potatoes. It's gonna ferment, and I'm gonna have spinach. It's gonna taste really good. I have corned beef in there too. If you want to put it in there, or chicken. But yeah, the chicken will come out different. You can have corned beef and chicken if you want. There's no rules. Okay. So, as you know, everything went up at our little friend's store. Everything's gone up. Okay, so I'm going to dish this out here. So. See, Walmart used to have another pizza sauce. It came in a plastic container. It was supposed to be healthy for you, but I guess they're not making it, or they're just not carrying it. It's kind of weird. It came in a plastic container. I think I used to show it. I don't know. Can't remember. Okay, that's it. We're done. Okay, so this is basically it. You know, you could put Parmesan cheese on this, or whatever it is you want. But this is how this one comes out. See? Good. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Ooh. Okay. Hey, you want to do me a, you want to gift me? Subscribe. Okay, that's easy, right? Free and easy. Trying to get up to I think either 500 or 1,000, whichever comes first. But I still need the watch hour, so I guess it'll be 1,000. Okay. In return, more videos will pop out. Every time I cook, video will pop up. Every time I make something like eggnog without eggs. Yeah, the formula's here. Let's have to put it together. I had to get a certain ingredient. Without it, can't make it. Be careful with the artificial sweeteners. This Splenda, stevia. Well, stevia, you have to look at it carefully, make sure it doesn't have dextrose oxygen. But a lot of them have it. In Splenda, Equate, or Equal. Used to just have aspartame. Now they put dextrose and all that stuff. I know they sell it cheap. I guess if they did it the right way, it'd be more expensive and costly. But they cut costs by putting all that corn. It's corn syrup. They're corn syrup. They're corn. They're made out of corn. But corn has sugar in it. They're not good for you. Cookies, cakes, pies, potato chips. Some potato chips don't have it. They charge you more for it. Yeah, like the cheese puffs and stuff like that. The crunchy ones you like. They all have it. The list should not be like a book report. Why would you want to take that into your body? It's not good. Be careful. I don't know why they're allowed to do it. Cookies too. Everything has it. Crackers, cookies, some peanut butters, jelly. Some jellies don't have it. I was putting the jelly in the smoothie. I stopped doing it. Sometimes I don't make the smoothie like I used to make it, like once in a blue moon. You know, you get tired of eating the same stuff. I made popcorn in on the stove. Put a little oil, heat it up until it gets, and then put the popcorn in there. Shake it up a couple, and it pops up. Now, how does that popcorn taste? It's good. You can use a granola oil. This stuff has got expensive. I remember when this stuff was dirt cheap. The only reason why you would use oil is because the pot doesn't keep the thing from sticking. But then the Teflon coating, it kind of fades. It doesn't last forever. Even if you don't use no abrasives. You know, the heat. It's supposed to withstand so much, but it can only do so much. So be careful. And I know you can get the stone ground with little white spots. But, you know, everything is up and up today. Well, anyway. So look forward for the holiday eggless egg now. But it tastes good, though. It has to be chilled. I hope I can do the same thing. I got the stuff that I need. Either you use real sugar, which won't hurt us because we're not going to use a lot. And then we're going to make the crock pot soup for 15 hours. Start early in the morning. Oh, don't worry. We'll speed up the video. I'm not going to sit there for 15 hours with a video. And then you'll see the results. Okay? All right. Merry Christmas. Hope you get what you want. Be careful this holiday season. You might be traveling and watching this. You know, airports have Wi-Fi. If you're at Walmart, tap into their Wi-Fi. Make sure you have an account to get online with them. It makes it easier that way. Then you just go to your account. You go to their, you know, allow you in. You put your email, and you can send the code to your phone. So you have to sit there and try to put all the password information in. And then you take the code and you just type that in and or paste it in, and boom, you're on their network. Because for some reason, I can't get on the cell inside their store anymore. So it came in handy because I had to scan prices and look up things. Okay. You take care there. Take care. Okay. Don't forget what you have to do. Send me a gift by subscribing. Yes. If you found this recipe easy for you, it's easy to make meals. You don't need uncomplicated. You don't need nothing expensive. That right there, it's $1.74 for the wheat egg noodle, right? $1.98 for the sauce, right? $3.54 for the.
Because of the new policy, I can only call numbers that are in your Google contacts.
Stop talking. Stop. Stop.
To your phone so you can follow up.
She don't listen to me. She's actually talk. See, that means she's listening. Okay, so yes, like I said, so all you need, that's all you need. That's all. Those items. That's it. You got easy, ready to make meal. All right. Take care. Bye for now. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.